Hey, what's up everyone? Another episode of Cooking Lolo. So, Cooking Lolo, if you're not familiar with it, it's kind of just these two videos that I put on. Prior to last year, I've never cooked, ever, except for maybe eggs and cereal, but more so eggs. But anyways, today I'm not gonna actually be cooking within this episode. I'm gonna be trying something new called Vegimite, which is something my friend from Canberra, Australia, shout out to Kaylin Wong, has given me. And I've never actually heard about Vegimite before meeting my friends over from Australia. We kept typing it up. So Vegemite is something that you put on buttered toast. So Vegemite is actually supposed to help with your brain function, nervous system, energy, as well as helping fight fatigue, which is the same thing as energy. If they actually do all these things, I have no idea. It's just on the tube. Vegemite. Always the best choice. Let's get started on this taste test and see how it turns out. So first, what you're gonna need your handy dandy toaster, and look, I have the toast ready. Alright. Next, what you want to do is put your butter. I put the country rock butter. You know, to be honest, I don't even know how long this has been in my fridge. It's probably expired. No, it smells okay. Then next you want to layer it. By the way, I don't actually know if this is how you apply Vegemite. This is what I was told by somebody. But yeah, if it doesn't work, then I'll try it another way. Probably I'll add jelly next time. But yeah, this is pretty exciting because Vegemite is something that I've never heard of, and I was surprised to actually hear that for them over in Australia, ranch dressing was something unheard of. They're like, ranch dressing? What is that? No, I sound like a little English boy, not a Australian. But yeah. So I think looking at the cultural differences between Australia and the US is pretty interesting in terms of food and kind of how that affects our daily lives, because for them, how they talk about Vegemite on here in the wrapper or the tube actually is something like really healthy, but for us French dressing, it's like, come get your taste today, which is oh it's brown. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's Vegemite. It's brown. I was expecting something like a green or a white paste, but not brown. That's so weird. I wonder if it's something like different across brands. Does Vegemite expire? Because I got this like 2 months ago, but it was in a tube, so it should be okay, right? Alright. I mean, it just looks like chocolate peanut butter, which is essentially Nutella, right? Let's try it. Oh, so it's pretty good. It has like a interesting taste to it. Kind of like if you ever had fish. I don't know why this like reminds me of fish. But yeah, it has like a nice taste at the beginning, and it kind of hits you with something in the back of your throat later. It's like, but I don't know what it is. It's not bad, but it was kind of just like random, and I was like, oh my god. Like overall, I really like it. It kind of goes well with the butter. It's definitely different, but it definitely takes some getting used to, for me personally. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. I'm glad I got this. Thank you, Caitlin. Well, hope you all enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, or if you're in Hawaii and would like to try some of my amazing Vegemite, please feel free to hit me up, and I'll I'll give you some. Okay, so stay awesome, Gotham. Wait, that's Iconics. But let me try this one. You're now cruising with the best. Peace. Yeah, I think that one works.